In this video, we are looking at the Spider-Man 2 PlayStation 5 Limited Edition console. I'm super excited to unbox this. Been waiting for it for a very long time. Spider-Man 2 is going to be one of the best games to come out in 2023. So I'm super excited to be unboxing this for you guys today. Inside the box, what we're going to get is the faceplates of the Spider-Man Limited Edition console. We're going to get the DualSense controller, which is going to have that Spider-Man look on it too. And I believe there is a code to be able to download the Spider-Man game when it does come out on the 20th of October as well. We're going to have the Venom sort of look as well when it's sort of taking over the body of Spider-Man. It's like the symbiote effect. With the box, what we see is the actual PlayStation 5. We see the DualSense controller, Miles Morales with the electronic punch effect, which is going to be really cool in-game. We've also got Spider-Man here, and it looks like he's using a dark web. So as we can see, Spider-Man in Spider-Man 2 is going to have the symbiote, which is going to be why we have Venom in game. So we've got the Spider-Man artwork on the sides. Here at the back, we have this really cool artwork too. So we have Venom versus Spider-Man at the back there. That's probably a hint at what's going to happen inside the game as well. But anyway, let's keep having a look. So right here, we actually get what we see inside this console. So we get the faceplates, DualSense controller, and we get the download code for Spider-Man 2. When you buy like a PlayStation 5 in a bundle like Horizon Forbidden West, Spider-Man 2, COD, all sorts, God of War, for example, as well, you're gonna get just the code. That's one thing to keep noted. So they don't give the actual disc edition games with the disc edition console, which is kind of weird. They just give the codes for downloads, which is kind of strange. Like, it's probably nice if they chucked in maybe a steelbook, or if they actually chucked in maybe the actual disc edition of the game as well. Obviously, Spider-Man 2 hasn't been released yet. That's why they haven't put this in. But even for Horizon Forbidden West, it would have been nice if they included the actual disc inside the console. That's my only gripe with unboxing the bodies of this with no disc. What normally happens with these covers is they actually just hold inside of normal sort of PlayStation 5. So it sort of comes out the exact same way as if you were to buy a normal PlayStation 5 console. It's just a bit of a tight squeeze, that's all. Ooh, nice and smooth today. We just have a PlayStation logo on this white box now. Pretty sure it's different than the normal sort of unboxing experience for Sony PlayStation bodies, so I'm excited. Who knows, might see something pretty cool today. Let's have a look. Hallelujah. Okay. All right. Sort of normal documents, user guides, safety guides, all that jazz. Power cable. Ooh, we have the actual controller. Let's just get stuck in and see this for the very first time. Oh, dude, this is sick, dude. Look at that. This looks awesome. So it has a blacked out finish, and we have this faded into red with the symbiote effect with the Venom sort of symbiote taking over Spider-Man there. That is super cool. Really awesome. And we have the Spider-Man logo right there as well. Right there. The touchpad. I'm gonna love this controller. And with the actual pads, as you can see, we've got white over here, and then we have black over here as well. So they've got a cool sort of gradient effect going on there with the controller, which is really awesome. Okay, now let's have a look. So we got an extra cable here. We've got a USB Type-C cable. It sort of comes in layers, like onions. Onions have layers. We have the mounting disc thing. So it's like a stand for your PlayStation 5. The HDMI cable. And the next layer. It should hopefully actually be the PlayStation 5. And we don't get separate faceplates. which means that we're gonna see this PlayStation 5 with the original faceplates that I doubt anyone else is gonna have. Not many people are gonna have this PlayStation 5. Oh, dude. I'm so excited for this. Whoa, dude. Look at that. The colors are absolutely popping with this faceplate. It looks absolutely insane. You should see this up close. Man, this looks crazy good. Also, I do get the download code for Spider-Man 2 here as well. And as you can see, the code is there. I mean, if you guys give me something like 10,000 likes on this video, I will happily give this code out to one of you guys to download the Spider-Man 2 game, and I'll just buy my own copy. I don't mind. So yeah, 10,000 likes on this video. I'll more than happily just give this code out to you guys. All right, let's look at this PlayStation 5. Wow, it looks so awesome. So the faceplate, as you can see, we've got this really, really awesome effect. So the symbiote effect, as well as the DualSense controller, looks really awesome together. So if you put it side by side, it looks pretty sick, right? I love it. The absolute amazing artwork and the design that's gone into this to make this something special has been really well pulled off, and I'm super happy as a customer. At the back here, we've got a black faceplate with the Spider-Man logo also on there as well. Overall, pretty happy with this. Happy to say that not many people are going to be able to have this limited edition Spider-Man PlayStation 5. But I've now got it, so I'm very, very happy. If you guys want to see me unbox more PlayStation 5s in the future, or do more unboxings like this, make sure that you like and subscribe. Yeah, let's play some Spider-Man on this brand new PlayStation. Also, when you get the new stand, here's another tip. So you can sort of put your palm at the bottom, slide that in, and there you got the screw. We can just pull that out. There is also this sort of plug that goes on the PlayStation 5. You can just take that out, and that should easily just slide straight into place, and then you've pretty much got the stand ready to rock. And done in about 2 seconds. There we go. There is a brand new limited edition PlayStation 5 with a limited edition Spider-Man 2 DualSense controller. I absolutely love it, guys. Looks absolutely amazing. And in terms of whether this console is actually worth buying or not, the limited edition Spider-Man 2 PlayStation 5, I guess if it depends if you really like Spider-Man, if you're very excited to play it, if it's one of the best games you've ever played, probably get it, because it's something that not everybody's gonna get. The Spider-Man PlayStation 4 went pretty viral back in the day. It was a pretty sought after console after a long period of time, so it is actually a worthwhile thing to get if someone wants to collect these items in future, and it's a worthwhile sort of investment for that sort of reason. It's also something really cool they could just have that not many other people are gonna have as well, so it's that nice sort of item there in your collection as well that would be a standout in some sort of way. You know, they'll look back at it in 30 years and be like, oh, there was this PlayStation 5 with the Spider-Man covers that was a limited edition model. So that's what makes it special. So if you love Spider-Man, you love collecting, you want something different that not everybody else has, then this is perfect for you guys. You know, if you've already got a PlayStation 5, maybe buying another PlayStation 5, not probably the best idea. Maybe just getting the DualSense controller, that might be the best idea for you. But these will be collectibles in the future, so that's why I got these, and you never know what might happen. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys want to like and subscribe, that would be very much appreciated. If this video was to get about 10,000 likes, happy to give away that code for the Spider-Man 2 game, and I'm happy to just buy my own copy again anyway. Let me know your thoughts and feelings on this console as well, and I'll see you guys next time.